Chapter 4, The Mouse. Objectives. After completion of this lesson, students will be able to identify the parts of a computer mouse, hold the mouse correctly and operate its buttons, understand the functions of left button, right button, and scroll wheel. After learning about all the parts of the computer, Neha started trying to make a drawing on her computer with the help of a mouse. But she was confused about which button to click. She asked her father about the functions of mouse.
Which mouse button do we use to make the drawing on computer?
As you already know that a mouse is used to point items shown on the monitor. It has two buttons. Each button has a special function and clicking these buttons tells the computer what to do. Let us learn more about the parts of a computer mouse and their functions. Parts of a computer mouse. A computer mouse has 4 parts. Mouse tail or cable, right button, scroll wheel, left button. A mouse is connected to a computer with a long tail or cable. The button on the left-hand side is called left button. Button on the right-hand side is called right button. The wheel between these buttons is called scroll wheel. Note: a computer mouse should be kept on a pad known as mouse pad to protect it from any damage and dust. Cool fact: a computer mouse is called so because it looks like a real mouse. Knowledge chest: some mice connect with computer without cable or wire. Such a mouse is called wireless or cordless mouse. Holding a computer mouse. Follow the steps given below to handle a mouse correctly. Keep the mouse on the mouse pad and place your palm on the mouse. Buttons of the mouse should point towards computer. Place your index finger on the left button and middle finger on the right button. Use your index finger to move the scroll wheel. Using a mouse. Just like we use our fingers to point and select things, in the same way, a mouse guides us to reach and select things on a computer screen with the help of an arrow. This arrow is called the mouse pointer. As you move the mouse pointer moves on the monitor. Let us learn how to use a mouse button in different ways to perform different functions. Single click. When we press left button only once to select an object on the computer screen, it is called single click. For example, to select a song on the monitor, you will click once on that song with the left mouse button. Double click. When we quickly press left mouse button twice, it is called a double click. This is used to start the programs on the computer. For example, to play a song on the computer, you will double click on that song with the left mouse button. Right click. When we press right mouse button just once, it is called right click. It is used to provide additional options of the selected object. You will learn more about right-click as you move on to higher classes. Dragging. When we click and hold the left button while moving the mouse, it is called dragging. This is used to move the object from one place to another on a computer screen. Scrolling. When we move the scroll wheel in forward and backward direction, it is called scrolling. It is used to move up and down on the screen when you are working on a large program. Draw. Some programs allow to draw using mouse. If you press left mouse button Do not release it and move the mouse. You will see that the drawing appears on the screen. Quick refresh. A mouse is used to select and open items shown on the monitor. A computer mouse has 4 parts: keyboard, left button, right button, and scroll wheel. A small arrow on the monitor that moves when mouse is moved is called mouse pointer. With single, double, and right click of mouse button, we perform different functions. Scroll wheel is used to move up and down on the screen when you are working on a large program. Hold the mouse with your palm and place your index finger on the left button and middle finger on right button.